In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart using Draw.io and Confluence. We'll start inside your Confluence site and get the Draw.io app installed, then add a diagram to a page and build a simple flowchart you can publish for your team. Begin by opening Confluence in your browser. From the top navigation, open the Apps menu and choose Explore More Apps to go to the Marketplace area inside Confluence. Use the search bar there and type Draw.io. Open the Draw.io app result and follow the prompts to install it. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with permissions to complete this part. Once it's installed, you'll be ready to diagram directly on your pages. Head back to one of your spaces and open the page where you want the flowchart to live. Click Edit to enter the page editor. Inside the editor toolbar, click the plus icon to insert a macro. In the search that appears, type draw.io, then select draw.io diagram. When the dialog opens, click Create to launch the diagram editor embedded in Confluence. You'll see a canvas in the center with a shapes library on the left. To build your flowchart, drag shapes like terminate for start and end, process for actions, and decision for yes or no branches onto the canvas. Edit any shape by selecting it and using the formatting panel to change colors, borders, or size. To connect steps, drag from the blue arrows that appear around a shape to another shape. This creates neat, auto-routed connectors. You can double-click anywhere on a connector to add labels like yes or no, which makes your branches clear. Don't forget the text. Double-click a shape to type a concise description of that step. Keep labels short and consistent so the flow is easy to scan. If the diagram starts to feel crowded, zoom out a bit or use alignment tools to distribute shapes evenly. Naming things consistently and aligning elements will save time later. When you're happy with the flow, click Publish in Confluence to save the page with your embedded diagram. The diagram will render on the page for viewers, and you can always return to edit, open the diagram, and continue refining it as your process evolves. That's it. Install Draw.io, insert a diagram on a page, drag in your flowchart shapes, add clear text, and publish so your team can use it right away.